To remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can go to the gallery. Now over here, I'm gonna choose the photo from which I want to remove something, and then we're gonna use this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. In here, we're gonna tap on these 4 circles that we have on the right side, and then we're gonna use the object eraser. There's also the AI-powered eraser over here. If you want to, you can of course try it out, so let's do so. So we have generative edit in here, so we can tap or draw around something that we can get rid of. So let's say we're gonna do so. There we go. Our car toy is now selected, and we can use this eraser icon in here. And now we just need to wait. And we should be able to tap on generate to fill in the missing space, and shortly after that we should be able to get rid of this car toy. And there we go. Beautiful. We can also of course tap here to see the original, to see before and after, and then we can tap on a done, and of course we can save our copy. Of course, AI generated images have a watermark, I believe in the bottom left corner if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it is written actually in the details. So let's open details. There we go. Contains AI generated content. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.